So, when you're in Nice, you climb to the top of the castle hill. Like, of course, that's one of the things to do here. And it's a great view, sure, even if there are often quite a lot of people. But where is the castle? You climb the stairs, you saw the waterfall, but where is the castle? And you climb the stairs, and you saw some fake ruins, and you also saw some real ruins that are off limits. But where is the castle? It's called the Castle Hill, but there is no castle. What a scam! A French scam! Excuse me, kids? Where is the castle? Oh, you're kidding me too. Great! So, you left, disappointed. But what if I tell you there is a castle in Nice? You can see it from here, in fact. A 16th century fort in perfect condition, much less crowded, with an amazing view. You have to go to the Mont-Boron, the hill on the other side. But to get there, well, you cannot take the little train. You can go by car or bus, of course, but we are going to walk. It's free and it's a good exercise. So let's go! We'll start from Place Garibaldi. From here we have to go toward the east to take the Rue Bonaparte, like Napoleon. But stay focused, please. Follow the Rue Bonaparte until you reach the Place Max Barrel. And here you go through the park, le Parc du Castel des Deux Rois. And when you leave the park, turn right immediately. This is when things get serious, because yes, if you found the stairs up the castle hill difficult, you're going to suffer. We're in Nice, so I guess we have nice stairs. Ah, j'adore l'humour. And that's when you may start to regret walking up, especially in summer, especially during a heat wave. Don't forget to drink water. Et encore des escaliers. Take a short break. You deserve it. Don't exhaust yourself. You can admire the view of the port of Nice and the castle hill. It is very beautiful. But we're already on our way again. Cutting through the bushes, and we arrive within sight of the fort. Here again, enjoy the view. Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat and Villefranche-sur-Mer, magnificent. It's a great place to go swimming, just for a walk. A peaceful place, very quiet. Sometimes. Anyway, can you see the fort from here? Can you see it?
Mais tu vas te calmer, le bateau.
But let's visit the fort. Oh, looks like we cannot go inside. Can we? Oh, we cannot. Well, you can book, only in summer. I'll put the details below. And you get a nice tour. So, let's go around. I suppose this is a good time to tell you that the fort was completed in 1560. It was built in response to the siege of 1543, when Nice was besieged by the French and the Ottomans, to protect the eastern side of the city, and also Villefranche, which was then the port of Nice. And before we leave, let's find some shades in this strange modern dolmen, I guess. Isn't it the perfect place to meditate, to contemplate the meaning of life and what really matters? Anyway, after that, we can leave happy